So now let's see how we can utilize the blur gallery inside a Photopea. So in order to do that, you need to go around onto the filter menu and then go to blur gallery right here. And you can see that spin blur is an option, and that is what I'm going to start with. And you can see that there's this particular blur right here that I can add in. Let's just go around onto spin blur, click and drag this out right here. And this is what you have, as you can see. You can go around and change around the amount of spin right here, just like this, and click and drag this out right here. And just like this as well. You can also pull this out right here, and that is the blur that you have. If I were to click and drag it, then this is another spin blur, as you can see right here, just like this, which is added onto the image. So if I were to go around and change around the angle right here, you can do that as well. Apart from that, there are different type of blurs, like there's path blurs right here as well. So if I were to go around, then click and drag it out right here, then you got the path blur right here, just like this as well. So let's go around, press Ctrl Z right here, and then I'm going to go around onto blur, now blur gallery right here, path blur, and you can see the path blur being applied right here, just like this. You can also go around and change around the path right here accordingly right here. So let's just go around over here onto the new layer section again, and I'm going to go around onto blur gallery right here. And apart from that, you got the tilt shift blur, as you can see right here, just like this as well. So this is added in on a new layer. So let's just go around onto the background right here, and then I'm going to go around onto tilt shift, and you can see that I get like a miniature effect right here, just like this. You can go around and click and drag this out right here, and this is the blur that you have right here, just like this. So let's just go around over here, and then I'm going to go around onto filter, onto blur gallery right here, and you got the iris blur right here, just like this as well. So let's just go around and delete this layer right here, and I'm going to go for iris blur right here, and you get more like a traditional blur, as you can see right here, just like this. And you can change around the level of dot right here, just like this as well, and the iris blur is applied. Let's just press Ctrl Z, and then I'm going to go around over here onto blur gallery, and then go for field blur right here all together, and all the blur is all the field, that is the entire image, is actually blurred out, just like that. And that is how you can work around with the blur gallery option inside of Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.